Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2020 20-plate Peugeot partner van. Now this is a nice van indeed. You can tell it's been well cared for by the previous owners. We've got daytime running lights, lower fog lamps, looking down the side of the van, no signs of any dents, dings. You can tell it is a tidy and well cared for thing. All the wheel trims are in nice order. Those are 16-inch wheel trims, riding on nice tyres. We've got the rear vent as well, or the top vent I should say, lighted on the vehicle as well. Coming through to the back then, rear parking sensors. We've got the added locks on this vehicle as well, so added security and added peace of mind. Coming through to the back then, you can tell again it's a tidy looking thing. So we've got slip resistance floors, you've got the rails in the bottoms there as well, factory metal bulkhead, we've got ply lining and plastic lining to the rear. Side entry doors, again with the locks, load through liners. But then again, just going through to the condition, looking at the bodywork, very nice order. Now jumping inside, comfortable seating for three. So you've got the driver's seat and then a bench seat at the side. Seats themselves, nice order. You can tell the van's not been smoked in. Specification wise, these Peugeot partners come fully loaded. So we've got front electric windows, park folding mirrors, we've got our automatic lights. Down there you'll find your volume and media paddles. Opposite side you will find your cruise control, your speed limiter. We'll just let that focus. Cruise control, speed limiter on that side, and it's a mega low mileage van, so we've only covered 27,163 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Center display, you get this nice big screen with full phone connectivity. So if I press on the phone there, it'll take us through to the connectivity page. So Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Mirror Link. So the Mirror Link, connect your phone via the USB lead. It shows up with your sat nav. If you've got Spotify, you've got your Spotify music on there. SMS, photos, obviously radios are full DAB, all the extended channels, and then you've got all your car driving functions as well. Vehicle settings, driving functions, that's all found through the system. Climate control, air conditioning, 6-speed manual transmission, electric parking brake, all the original books which are supplied with the vehicle, still with the vehicle there today. But a nice thing. So if you'd like anything further, give us a call, 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching.